Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to have a detailed review of the Goovis Art head-mounted display. Earlier we have reviewed the Goovis G3 Max and the Goovis G3X, and Goovis just launched Goovis Art on Kickstarter, and in this video I am going to share my experience and review with you. So we will talk about its design, features, build quality, hardware specs, display quality, accessories, and all of its pros and cons. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the retail box of Goovis Art, you will find a quick start guide, a carrying case inside which you will find the Goovis Art head-mounted display, a USB Type-C to Type-C cable, and a cleaning cloth. And the standard headband, the forehead support, and the lens protection cap are pre-attached to the Goovis Art head-mounted display once you take it out from the carrying case. Now talking about the design and build quality, the very first thing you will notice about the Goovis Art is that how small and lightweight it is. It weighs just 110 grams and it makes the Goovis Art one of the lightest head-mounted display currently available in the market. It comes with a hanging design, so it does not cover your face fully and rests on your eyes. Instead of that, it hangs in front of your eyes, and because of that it looks very different compared to other head-mounted displays, and it is very unique as well. So because of this hanging design, there are two things that I like about the Goovis Art so much is that first of all, you don't need to remove your glasses. For people like me who wear glasses to see things clearly, Goovis Art allows us to keep wearing the glasses and use the Goovis Art head-mounted display at the very same time. Another one is that it allows you to be aware of your surrounding, so you can keep using the Goovis Art and at the very same time you can also have a look on the surrounding and be aware of what's happening around you. You can also change the viewing angles for your Goovis Art. So for the focus mode, you can keep the Goovis Art at the level of your eyes. If you want to have a multitasking mode, then you can keep it a bit above your line of sight to have the better idea of your surrounding, and you can also place the Goovis Art below your line of sight. That will allow your eyes to relax and use the Goovis Art for extended time without putting a strain on your eyes. The build quality is pretty solid, the headband is quite comfortable and elastic, and the forehead support provides a nice cushioning effect. You can use the Goovis Art for hours without putting any strain to your eyes or your forehead, as the forehead support is also quite comfortable, just like the headband as well as the whole Goovis Art setup. You get the option to switch between the 2D and 3D videos by just pressing a button. You get volume keys, you can increase decrease the brightness, a built-in diopter adjustment for up to -3.5 myopia. So unlike the high-end models, it does not provide a very high degree of myopia correction, but if your lens strength is up to -3.5, then you can use the Goovis Art without wearing your glasses and by adjusting the built-in diopter. And if your power is more than that, then you can wear your glasses and then use the Goovis Art without facing any issue or reducing your visual experience. You can also lock the settings for your eyes and lenses. The Goovis Art also comes with the option to adjust the InterP Distance, so you can easily adjust it based on your face and shape and size of your eyes. So many people in your family can use Goovis Art by changing the interpupillary distance based on their face size and eyes, so one device can be used by the whole family without facing any issue. And it looks really cool when you try to adjust the interpupillary distance by sliding the sides of Goovis Art outside. The only drawback of this design is that if you want to have an immersive viewing experience, then it won't be possible on Goovis Art because of the peripheral vision. So if you want to have immersive viewing experience, then it is better to go with the Goovis G3 Max or the Goovis G3X, or you can just use the Goovis Art in a dark room where there is no ambient light. Another thing is that it does not look as cool as the Goovis G3 Max or the Goovis G3X, but the Goovis Art is designed for a whole different purpose and use cases, and because of that, the design, features and functionality of Goovis Art are totally justified, as every little thing about it serves a purpose. The travel case provided is also of very high quality. The fabric design looks beautiful and premium, and it is pretty solid and sturdy as well. The top cover also comes with a mesh pocket where you can keep the accessories like data cables, etc., and you can carry the whole setup in one single box of your Goovis Art. Now talking about the connectivity, you can connect the Goovis Art virtually with everything So you can connect the Goovis Art with your smartphone, gaming consoles, with your laptop. You can even connect it with your digital cameras and camcorders to use it as a viewfinder. You can connect it with drones as the FPV monitor, and you can even connect it with the Switch or any of your handheld gaming console with the help of the Goovis TPS20 Type-C hub. It is an all-in-one handheld gaming accessory and the power hub that can easily increase your playtime for more than 5 hours. Another cool accessory to use along with the Goovis Art is the D4 4K media player that brings the Android TV experience to your Goovis Art. You can use the streaming application. It also comes with a micro SD card slot, and both D4 media player as well as the Goovis TPS20 USB Type-C hub come with 8000 mAh battery, and with the help of them you can use the Goovis Art for hours for multimedia consumption, whether it's watching movies, playing games, or just using it for the productivity purposes. The Goovis Art also comes with built-in speakers which are not too powerful but good enough to enjoy the content in a silent room. It also comes with a 3.5mm jack, using which you can connect your headphones with the Goovis Art. Another cool accessory from Goovis is the GE10 wireless earbuds, using which you can have a nice audio experience on the Goovis Art either via Bluetooth, or you can use the GE10 receiver to insert into the Type-C port of your Goovis Art to use it for audio output. Now talking about the display quality, the Goovis Art comes with two OLED displays with full HD resolution, and because of the tiny size of them, the PPI you will get is 4496, so that is extremely sharp display that you will get on Goovis Art. It comes with slim bezels and you get an immersive viewing experience of 110-inch display at 4 meters with 40 degrees field of view. It supports up to 110% of sRGB color gamut and 90% of DCI-P3. So because of super sharp PPI, thin bezels, and nice color reproduction, the viewing experience you will have on Goovis Art is quite impressive. Another impressive thing about the Goovis Art is that unlike other traditional AR glasses, in bright sunny outdoors and external light, the display of Goovis Art remains clear and unaffected with minimal obstruction, so you can enjoy watching content on your Goovis Art as well as look at your surrounding at the same level of clarity. The only thing I'm missing here is that it comes with just 60Hz refresh rate support, so if you play high-end games that can run on 120 FPS or 144 FPS, the maximum FPS you will get on the display of Goovis Art is just 60. So if you're planning to buy a head-mounted display for you without spending too much money, then Goovis Art is one of the best options for you. Especially if you wear glasses, you want to keep an eye on your surrounding. The bulky head-mounted display are uncomfortable to you, and the traditional AR glasses are not good enough and clear enough for your viewing experience. If you are interested in buying the Goovis Art, then I have shared the link in the description of this video below, and if you enjoyed watching this video and found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.